Just kidding. I'm in my toilet. My own toilet. That's so lame, right, Kiara? I'm just kidnapping myself inside my own toilet. Yeah, it was hard to record because somebody was laughing at me in the toilet. And I wonder who is that. That's my annoying sister anyway. So yeah. I was like an idiot in the bathroom, right? It's like, duh. I don't even think you're my master. So yeah. Please subscribe this channel. And yeah, this is my new channel. It's gonna be random stuff. If you don't know what this channel is about, click here again at the annotation. It's like clicking here to there and here to there and there to here. I don't even know whether that makes sense. But yeah. What the hell? I'm on Skype with Loy. So yeah, subscribe, please. Subscribe.